Hello. You know, it's nice to know that we're nearing the winter season and I can still sit on a floaty and get some sun while I read. This home I'm about to show you is on a street called Paso Nuevo, which literally translates to the new path. And that's exactly what 18829 Paso Nuevo has to offer. A fresh start, a new chapter, and unforgettable memories. Now, while I figure out how to get out of this pool without tipping over, go check the rest of the exterior of the house with my voiceover tour guide. Designed by the iconic Charles Dubois in the 1960s, this home has been reimagined while preserving its mid-century soul. Vida, the developer, paid homage to Dubois' vision, infusing modern elegance with timeless charm. The backyard, pure magic. From the welcoming barbecue area to the 6-foot deep pool, perfect for lounging or swimming a few laps. You'll find a cozy fire pit lounge where you can unwind with a good book or enjoy a drink as the evening cools. And did I mention the stunning hill views? You're perfectly positioned to watch the sunrise each morning. And with the seamless indoor-outdoor flow, thanks to the accordion doors from the living room and the sliding doors from the dining room, you can entertain effortlessly. The developer Vida has kept the original spirit of Charles Dubois and reimagined it for today's modern living. This home has undergone complete transformation, from layout design, framing, a new roof, plumbing to the main line, electrical, you name it, it's been done. This home is practically brand new, yet holding its heritage. Let's start off with the exterior. High quality polypulper and turf, easy to maintain. And at the front, you got these beautiful striking planters and this grand staircase. And these Spanish tiles that welcome you to this grand custom 10-foot pivot door. Let's go check it out inside. Step inside a world of elegance and openness. Now, take a deep breath and take a look around. You can immediately notice the refined palettes, the warm hues, and the abundant amount of natural light pouring in from every angle. This home invites you to experience luxury and thoughtful design in the comfort of your home. This 4-bed, 4.5-bath home is 3,000 square feet, sitting on an 11,000 square foot lot. Natural light floods the space with 11.5-foot ceilings, giving it an airy feel, while the fireplace and the warm kitchen gives you that cozy charm. And now, the living room. Like I mentioned earlier, look at the lofty ceilings, and not to mention the 5-layer chandelier that sets a perfect mood, from cozy nights by the fire to lively gatherings with friends. And with those expansive skylights, the space is always bathed with perfect light. Now let's head to the dining room. Surrounded by elegant touches like the towering wine cellar, the accent walls, and the soaring ceilings, it's a sophisticated space for intimate dinners or grand entertaining. And this kitchen, well, it deserves its own moment. Just look at the size. You immediately can take notice of the quality of the home. From the 40 by 40 Italian tiles, the decked-on kitchen island, the Thermador appliances, and the beautiful exposed brick. This warm wood kitchen offers beautiful Italian and German hardware. Not to mention this beautiful teardrop chandelier. This is where beauty and practicality meet. Now let's head to the bedrooms. The master bedroom is the ultimate retreat. Wide dimensions, soaring ceilings, and the private access to the backyard. Oh, and the ensuite, a masterpiece of luxury, with dual crystal vanity mirrors, a stand-up shower, and a freestanding bathtub beneath the elegant crystal pendant lights. The second bedroom, perfect for a nursery, child's room, or a home office. It comes with custom closets, an ensuite bathroom, and natural light flooding in from every angle. And the third and fourth bedrooms are just as impressive. The large closets, natural light, and the shared Jack and Jill bathroom designed for privacy and convenience for both bedrooms. So there you have it, 18829 Paso Nuevo. It isn't just a home, it's a new path. Are you ready for a new chapter?